Hello, Smikey here. This is my dad's 1991 Ford F150 four-wheel drive with a 5-liter. And what we are going to look at on this truck is the tilt steering is broken. That's the main concern. Also, the right turn signal won't stay on. I have taken off the back 2 screws. Then let's pull the horn up and out of the way and disconnect the connectors. Now what we need to do is mark the steering shaft to the steering wheel, which I have done right here. That way we can keep the steering wheel centered when we pull the steering wheel off. We're going to crack this nut. Now we might be able to wiggle the steering wheel off. No. I've got the puller on. Let's run this in until it starts to push on the steering shaft. And that's it. Yeah, something's going on. Let's get the screws out here and here. Then let's take out the tilt rod. Now there's a bolt right there. I need to get my socket on. Oh man, look at that. There's a little piece of plastic jammed in here right in the tilt mechanism. Let's get that out and see if it works. I think this little piece is broken off from the right turn signal detent right here. Let's finish getting the turn signal switch out. We need to unclip the connector down here. The next thing we need to do is depin the connector to get it out of the column. I've taken a photo of the back of the wiring so I remember where they go. Then we need to undo the retention lock, this red piece here. And then the pins have a locking tab that holds them in. So if you push on the locking tab and just gently pull on the back of the wire, it will come out. I have the new one depinned already. Okay, it was used. Let's tape up this mess of wire together so we can have a chance to get it down the column. Then we repin the connector like our photo and install it. Let's test it out. It works and holds the signal on the right and on the left. Let's see if we have our tilt. And that works. Make sure everything is back together. All the screws are back in. And let's get the mark that we made lined up. That looks pretty good. Let's get the nut back on. Plug the horn back in and the two connectors. And then we can just do up the two back screws. Now his main concern was the tilt, which is fixed. And we also fixed his turn signal along the way. Thanks for coming along on the repair experience. I'll catch you in the next one.